Hey Cajon drummers, and welcome back to another video. If you are a beginner on the Cajon and you're not really sure what you should be practicing, then this is the video for you. So learn these 3 basic exercises and try to do them every day. Build them into your practice routine, and you should start to see some benefits from them not only today, but years down in the future. They are that fundamental, simple, timeless. So if you are ready, let's get started with exercise number 1. Here we go. Okay, so that one is like super easy to remember, super easy to play, right? But more important than just those hits are the goals. So do you remember them? What I suggest is writing them out on a piece of paper and then keeping that somewhere near your Cajon so that every time you practice, you don't lose sight of the bigger picture, right? Something so simple like that can become boring. But if you know those goals and that's what you're working towards, it's much easier to put in the longer practice sessions. So just a little piece of advice. Are you ready for exercise number 2? All right, let's do it. Here we go. Exercise number 2. Okay, so that's 2 out of 3 finished. And something to keep in mind at this point is, hey, this isn't like learning a groove or a fill where you can just stack it away in memory, maybe play it again sometime. No, this should be treated like a workout, something that the more you repeat it, the more benefit you receive. And most importantly, not something that you stop doing when you no longer consider yourself to be a beginner. Actually, I still use these exact exercises all the time. They're my warm-up before a live show, occasionally before shooting a YouTube video. Those goals that I'm talking about in this video, they are so fundamental that they're still totally relevant at any level of Cajon playing. So please treat it like a workout. Okay, with all of that said, I think we are ready for exercise number 3. And after that, if you're still keen to learn some more, actually have a look at my channel. There's all kinds of Cajon lessons, heaps of Cajon lessons, and they're all organized into different playlists. So depending on your goal for the day, depending on what you'd like to learn and your skill level, you should be able to find exactly the right video here on my channel. And if there's something that I don't have that you'd like a Cajon lesson on, please leave a comment down below. Always open for suggestions. Okay, let's do it. Exercise number 3. Here we go. Okay, there we go. Hey, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a like. And if you'd like as well, maybe share it with some other percussionists that you think could find this useful or interesting. And click subscribe and ring the bell if you'd like to see more videos like this in the future. I look forward to seeing you then. Thank you very much for watching. See you later.